24-hour Glow Up Challenge from drab to fab, the ultimate glow up transformation. Hey glow getters, it's time to treat yourself like the main character you are. Welcome to your 24-hour full body glow up challenge because you deserve to look and feel your absolute best. Let's reset, refresh, and radiate from head to toe. Let the glow up begin. Morning, refresh and energize. Hydration before situation. Wake up, don't scroll. First, grab that fancy water. Mix warm water plus lemon plus a pinch of salt plus chia seeds, if you're feeling bougie. Looks like a frog egg drink, but your skin's gonna thank you. Why? Because you can't glow if your body is 80% iced coffee. Morning skincare routine, like a celebrity. Step 1, oil cleanse, jojoba, almond, or grapeseed oil. Step 2, gentle cleanser, non-stripping, pH balanced. Step 3, exfoliate, only if needed, use a gentle HA, BHA. Step 4, hydrating toner, spritz or apply with hands. Step 5, serum, hyaluronic acid or niacinamide for glow. Step 6, moisturizer, lightweight, water-based in the morning. Step 7, SPF 30+, the real glow-up secret. Tip, apply products to damp skin to lock in more hydration. 15-min body wake-up flow, neck rolls and shoulder stretches, relieve tension. Dynamic warm-up, jumping jacks, arm circles, hip circles. 15-minute yoga Pilates, sun salutations, downward dog, lunges. Optional, 20 to 30-minute walk in natural sunlight, helps with circadian rhythm plus vitamin D. Glowy breakfast smoothie bowl base, frozen banana plus berries plus spinach plus oat milk. Add-ins, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 scoop plant protein, 1/2 avocado. Toppings, coconut flakes, chia, granola, drizzle of honey. Pair with green tea or matcha with oat milk. Midday, nourish and reset. Hair mask plus scalp, detox. Mix 2 tablespoons coconut oil, plus 1 teaspoon castor oil, plus aloe, vera gel, plus 3 drops rosemary oil. Warm slightly, massage into scalp for 5 minutes, stimulates growth. Wrap in warm towel, leave for 1 to 2 hours. Rinse with gentle shampoo, condition with a hydrating mask. Tip, while the mask is on, journal or do light chores equals productivity plus self-care. Gratitude and affirmations. Write 3 things you're grateful for today. Say these aloud or write down. I glow because I take care of myself. I am deserving of love, peace, and soft energy. I radiate calm, beauty, and confidence. Hands and feet mini spa. Soak in warm water plus Epsom salt plus a few drops of lavender oil. Exfoliate with a homemade scrub. Sugar plus olive oil plus honey plus a few drops lemon juice. Push back cuticles, trim nails, file, and paint if desired. Moisturize with shea butter or Vaseline and wear cotton gloves socks for deep moisture. Declutter and reset your space. Clean vanity, reorganize skincare, makeup. Wipe down mirrors, burn incense or light a candle. Vanilla, sandalwood, rose. Play soft jazz or lo-fi while you do it. Tip, clear space equals clear energy equals clearer skin and mind. Evening, indulge and restore. Glow shower routine. Dry brush before shower, start at feet, move upward in circles. Shower steps, exfoliate with scrub. Coffee plus sugar plus olive oil equals soft plus smooth. Shave or dermaplaner if you want, and use a hydrating body wash. Avoid SLS. After shower, apply body oil on damp skin, almond or rosehip oil, then layer with whipped body butter, shea or cocoa-based. Evening face treatment, cleanse and tone. Apply clay mask, multi-mask if needed, clay on T-zone, hydrating on cheeks. Steam face for 5 minutes with a bowl plus towel. Apply serum, retinol if used, or peptides. Do gua sha with facial oil, lymphatic drainage. Finish with a lip scrub and thick balm. Tip, sleep with a silk pillowcase and braid your hair loosely to avoid breakage. Clean dinner ideas. Grilled salmon or tofu with roasted veggies and quinoa or brown rice. Add healthy fats like avocado or tahini dressing. Sip on chamomile tea or golden milk to wind down. Sleep glow. Formula: dim lights an hour before sleep. Read or journal. Avoid screens. Meditate or use a sleep story. Optional: magnesium drink or lavender pillow spray. Sleep 7 to 8 hours minimum with the windows slightly open for airflow. And just like that, you're glowing inside and out. One day of self-love can create a whole new vibe. Remember, your glow isn't just skin deep. It's your energy, your mindset, your magic. Keep shining, bestie. Until next time, stay soft, stay radiant, and stay you.